Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you, welcome to Make for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today, I'm gonna be doing another look with the Fairy Tale Europe palette by Nomad Cosmetics. Honestly, I'm just so fucking excited about it. It launches today. You can use my code LOSSED to save some money if you guys are gonna get it. The color story is fucking fantastic. I just used it again, and honestly, this is a rave. I have rave review about this. I didn't really talk about it at the end because I'm trying to get this hurried up and uploaded so that I can just get you guys another look. I have another look that I wanted to do, and I was gonna do 2 looks, but I just wanna hurry up and get this video edited and get it up. I didn't talk a lot. I just really did a look for you guys, and this is it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got it, or if you wanna hear, well, I didn't really talk about the final thoughts on the palette, but at this point, I've used it enough times to tell you, I'm not kidding. It's fucking good. That's my honest fucking opinion. It's really fucking good. So if you guys are interested in just watching me how I got this look and seeing some more performance of the shimmers, or if you just like to watch, then hang out. Okay, I'm just gonna try my hardest not to talk too much. So I'm going into this dark gray right here. I'm gonna do the cool tones. This is my, holy shit. This is my Voldemort. It's from the Jaclyn Hill collection, but it's like the M506. This is really pigmented. Look at that. I didn't expect that. How well that blend on. And that's just perfection right there. I'm just going one more dippy poo. I mean, 1 dip on the first round. What the fuck? I'm going 2 because I don't even know how to only do 1. So I'm just gonna be singing the whole time. So when you see, I'm gonna be sped up, and I'm gonna be blah, 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 blah. It's because I'm singing. I'm just trying to knock this shit out, right? I am not using those Blend Bunny brushes for this anymore, period. I'm gonna use the Singe Beauty EO5, and I'm gonna go into this color right here, the Cool Tone Neutral. Yeah, that's perfect. Damn, I really like this color. I'm glad I picked that one. I really like this color. I'm pretty excited about what this is gonna look like because okay, now what am I gonna do? Am I gonna go into that light gray? Yeah, I am. With this Voldemort brush, I'm gonna go into this gray right here, this light gray. That blend is so good. See how it's smoothing? It just looks a little smooth on that edge instead of all fucking ratchet. I prefer smooth over ratchet, just saying. For my skin anyway. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something funny. I'm going to go into my inner corner with this color right here because I just wanna warm it up a little bit because I'm gonna use purple. And so I wanna have a little bit of a warmer tone in the center to kind of just set it off a little because orange and yellow are opposite of purple. So I just want this to be a little bit warm to kind of be of a little bit more of a contrast, as opposed to purple, which almost is gray. I feel like these neutrals are super neutral. They're like neutral neutrals. Because I was a hairstylist, I have a different like view of what neutral means, right? So you hairstylists out there, you know what I'm talking about. Neutral isn't a warm tone brown. Like brown is neutral, but like warm is warm and cool is cool, and neutral is the mixture of them, right? It's not exactly like that, but that's like when I see neutrals that are like, when I see a warm tone brown, I actually see an orange. Do you know what I mean? And this actually isn't as warm as I was hoping. This is actually like almost the identical color of my skin. Even though this is a brown palette, I honestly feel like I have a lot of freedom with this palette. Because you could pretty much do anything. You can put any of these mattes together in any style, halo eye, graphic style, like, and then throw these badass colors on there and fucking, plus it's not hard to do a look with these neutrals. Okay, I'm not talking anymore. No more talkie. I'm going into that middle one. I swear to God, this color right here, you gotta watch out for it, man. It'll come for you. I'm just going back and forth doing the blending. You guys know the deal. Oh man, I love that color right there. Ooh! I just realized my bronzer is a little warm. I want to cool that down. I think I'm going to. I always look a little odd when I do this, but fuck it. I am a little odd. I'm just using this to cool my bronzer down. I do not like it when my bronzer is warm and my makeup is cool. It fucking makes me crazy. However, I do look a little ashy now, but I know it looks weird now, but don't worry, I'll fix it. I actually just literally cannot stand it when my bronzer is too warm and my skin is, or my makeup is so cool. Remember what I've told you, children. Warm tones make you look sick. Cool tones make you look dead. The thing about a cool tone bronzer is you can actually contour with it. So that's nice. What do you guys think? Better? No, I'm just gonna dump buttloads of this fucking Morphe powder on here. Because the Morphe powder is actually a little bit colored too, and it's got a lot of pink in it, so they offset it with yellow. That's actually what it says. I read that somewhere, but it's got a lot of yellow in it, so an offset with pink. So that's nice. I'm just setting this bronzer. That's all I'm doing. I've been wondering when I was going to get to use that lighter curb case. I'm not that light. I thought I was. I'm not. Okay, I can look at that. And I feel like it matches so much better. Sorry, I had to take the time to do that. I might just edit it out. I'm just going to go in with a little tiny bit more of that. God, it's just like so nice. Like, what can I possibly do to make this look any better? Jesus. Love that. I feel like I'm a little crazy right there, but it's cool. I love that. Okay. Oh, wait. I need to do the middle a little bit more. I feel like this color is so faint. It's like, not really, it's not really like being a thing. Oh, I might have overdone that. I'm gonna bring that down a little bit. It really looks pretty cool in my... Cool tone. I thought it was gonna heat it up a little, but it did not. On my skin, these are all really cool tones. So maybe it's a cool tone neutral. I feel like the brown is like super neutral. My face is itching like crazy. I have little fucking tiny hairs all over. That's why I'm like specular shit. Ding! I have a brush that I love. Clean. Stupid. Oh, here's my Breffer 21. Oh my God. I let my cats in my room for one day and I just like put my brushes up against the light and I swear they walk right over my brushes with their bellies. That's fucked. I wish I wouldn't, I wish I could unsee that. Can't unsee it. I can try to find a brush though. I'm using the Jessup 234 and I'm gonna go into Sleeping Beauty. Man, this color is fucking the tits, dude. You guys, all of these colors are the tits, I swear to God. Like every single one of them. I don't really care for the plain pink or whatever, but it sure looked pretty the other night. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this darker purple. I just really like the darker colors are like, most of them are, well, I'm not gonna say they're nothing special, but they're kind of just like darker shimmers and whatnot. But like, I'm glad that they're in there because I feel like it really like gives you the ability to create like something super cool and dimensional. And they blend together like so good. I like don't even have to try. And now I'm going to use this Blend Bunny brush and I'm gonna go into First Kiss and I'm gonna use that as my inner corner highlight because this is a pink that shifts to a purple. Oh wait, oh I think I was gonna throw some of that blue in the bottom, but just gonna give a little spritzy poo. Not because I need to yet, but just I fucking ain't fucking around. Damn, that light purple is just... I'm just gonna take this brush and I'm going to go like this into that light purple so that I can kind of... Damn, that looks cool. I'm gonna go into that darker purple and spray the brush because I just want to. And now I'm gonna go into the lighter purple, give it one little spritzy poo. Just to play with it. And I think I'm just gonna I dab the pointy part of this brush because I just wanna go like this. And then I'm gonna do that again and I'm just gonna go like this. All right, that's the look. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Salon Perfect eye wigs in Siren. I use so much shit. Okay, I use the Unearthly lip liner in khaki, my Morally Gray highlighter. I used the Comet Case blush. I used this purple, and then over the top of it, I used this purple as my blush. Then I used the Morally Gray highlighter, and then the Cupid Cases lip colors in, well, I used this one, and then I like purpled it up with this one, like lightened it up. So that's it. That's everything. You guys, I am actually really excited about this palette. It's like a fucking whole vibe, right? Anyway, it launches today. I'm gonna have this video up around 6 probably. You can use my code LOST, LOSSED, to save some money if you guys are gonna buy it. I know a couple of you already have, that you guys have let me know. A couple of you have already gotten it. I'm sure a lot of people have already gotten it. So anyways, I'm just gonna get going because I wanna get this uploaded and get some pictures taken and everything like that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality and my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. If you got like halfway through this video and you're like, oh my god, she is so fucking pretty until she opens her big fucking mouth, then go check me out on Instagram. I don't talk as much on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later. Later.